Minimum 20 GB hard disk space required to upgrade your current system to Windows 10. Just like previous lecture for Windows 7 in section 2, make a room on your hard disk by cleaning some unnecessary files. So now we are going to use disk cleanup utility in Windows 8.1. Click Start button and type disk cleanup. From the suggestions below, select Free up disk space by deleting unnecessary files. From the disk cleanup drive selection window, select the default drive. C drive is usually a system drive that what we need to clean up. Click OK and it will calculate the unnecessary files. From the file list, you will see downloaded files, temporary internet files, recycle bin, and other few options. Select every option from this list. Now go to down and there is a Clean up System Files button. Select every other options you find. Total number of free space you gain may differ from this lecture because this system is not used so much than yours. Now click OK. Confirm to delete the files permanently. It will not be able to restore these files from recycle bin. Open Windows Explorer and you will see a significant number of free space gaining.